So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of some of the new pieces I have coming out for RAMAEINC. These are swimwear pieces, so if you're going on spring break or a vacation or something along those lines and you're looking for a swimsuit, I got you. So yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much. I really am excited to show you guys these pieces. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright you guys, so this is the first piece. I am wearing this cow print triangle top. This is a thong bikini, so it is very risque. Not like, it's real skimpy, okay? And you know, Hot Girl Summer Part 2 or what? Nonetheless, it is super cute. Yes, I'm feeling it. You can stretch this part out to like make it more of a triangle so it's not just so cut and narrow, but definitely love this swimsuit. I have it in different options as well if you want to go on the more conservative side. I'll show you guys that next, but yes, serving body. You guys, don't mind me, I've been eating really good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the next swimsuit. Alright you guys, so this is option number 2. I don't know, I feel like I could wear this around family. I could really wear this swimsuit anywhere. It looks so cute. The cakes look good. It is a little bit high-waisted. This does come as a set. I am wearing a size small. I am actually quite in love with this cut of swimsuit. I feel like it makes my legs look a little wider, gives me a little bit more shape to my body. I'm trying to practice my poses. So yeah, the other thing that I like about this swimsuit is the fact that the prints are the same, so I can wear the other top with this bikini. So I'm about to show you guys what that would look like. I personally really like this. I just like showing skin, but I feel like these bottoms with this top is so cute. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not a look. I don't care what you say. Okay, so this is a one-piece swimsuit, all black. I love a simple black look. Like, you cannot go wrong. I love this swimsuit. I feel like the way this kind of like just snatches me a little bit. It's a cool design on the side, bum, back area. I love, like I said, the high cut in the swimsuit to make it look like I have some hips, makes it look like I have a little bit of thigh, because I hate when I'm taking my pictures and I just look like a pencil. Like, I hate it. I need clothes to give me shape. Like, I need clothes to give me shape. I can't just be looking up and down like a pole. Like, I cannot. The sides are so, they're just so sexy, so simple. Very expensive vibes. I could see myself wearing this on any vacation with a nice oversized hat and a cute little bag. This is a swimsuit that you kind of need to just take to travel with, period. Just keep it in your luggage and you cannot go wrong with this swimsuit. Like, you just cannot. I do feel very secure up top. It does come with padding as well. Yeah, like I said, take this swimsuit. Very versatile for any occasion, okay? Period. Alright you guys, so this is the third swimwear piece. Am I serving? You kind of put the swimsuit on, you use the strings to bring the tits together, kind of close up a little bit of the stomach area. So I love it. I like how it makes me feel secured in the back. I don't have to worry about my bikini getting in between these booty cheeks too much. Alright, so it does have a little bit of color, which I love. I just love what this is doing to the body, period. This is definitely a poolside, like chill fit. Like if you're going to the pool with your girls and you just want to throw on a swimsuit or something, this is probably the swimsuit that I would pull out of my closet and have my homegirls take a bomb picture of me for me. I am, like I said, I'm wearing the size small and it is hugging me. This swimsuit, out of all the other swimsuits, this one is hugging me the tightest everywhere. So I feel more secure, just a little bit more secured. Best believe you are gonna catch me in RAMAEINC all freaking summer. Best believe. Best believe. I feel like my swimwear is giving such a good variety. All of it, of course, I want it to be really sexy. But this one is for the girls. Like, I love it. I just gotta tell you this. If you have not checked out RAMAEINC yet, I'll give you a moment because bomb. This swimsuit, honestly, is probably in my top 5. Trying to give you guys a little teeny pop of color, okay? Just like a little pop of color. I love this top because it's kind of like halters and has a little bit of ruching, just a little bit right here. So it makes the girls look really good when you don't have any girls. This is also a thong bikini, however, it's give you a little bit more coverage on the front, definitely in the back. I'm loving this. I feel like this red looks super gorgeous on my skin. I feel like it'll look super gorgeous on everybody's skin. Y'all, no lie, I am definitely about to go ham on these wings right after I film this video. Like, stupid on these wings. I am so hungry, even though I just ate Waffle House. But baby girl has gotta eat. Alright, so this is the third swimsuit. Simple, sexy, all summer, period. Like, you cannot go wrong with a simple but sexy swimsuit. Like, come on. Come on now. This is a high rise cut. It's not super thongy, but it's like slightly thongish. The top does have this sculpted bra. It does hold the girls really good. You could adjust it in the back if you want them to sit up. But I literally took this out the pack and just put it on. I didn't have to adjust anything. I feel really comfortable. I feel like I can move. I could do anything. This is definitely for like an older crowd who's like real, you know, just, this is for a person who is sure of themselves. Like, this is a person that walks in, doesn't have a man, but ain't checking or looking for one. This is giving me high society. Like, I love this swimsuit. You can wear this with a nice cover up, be all dainty and cute or whatever. So this is swimsuit number 7. Swimsuit number 7. The lighting is not giving this color any justice. It is a beautiful teal blue swimsuit. But definitely get this swimsuit because it looks so good. Like, so good. I feel like I can move around without having to like check on my areas and my spots to make sure I'm all good and secure. Okay, so this is another bikini. So yeah, this is just a simple sage green 2-piece bikini set. This is not a thong bikini, it's just a regular bikini that you just tie up on the sides. Size small that I'm wearing, it has a little gold detail on the strings, at the end of the strings. Triangle cup, very minimal padding. You can take it out, of course, if you want to. This is truly your throw on and go swimsuit, like throw on and go bikini that I feel like you can just throw it on where freaking ever. I would prefer the strings to be higher up, sitting on my non-existent hips like this, but I don't have any hips, so they fall down. Just imagine. All right, so I have a few minutes before I have to start my photo shoot. I'm going to show you guys the last swimsuit that I have to show you guys and wrap this video up. So, all right, so this swimsuit felt so good on my skin. It felt like I was putting on some type of loungewear. This is your regular bikini as well. Just a regular white bikini. It does have some detail. You can't go wrong with a white bikini. I mean, you can as far as getting it dirty, but a nice clean white swimsuit is also such a look. It is so cozy, so comfortable. It does cover you up a little bit more if you're a little breasty. And also with a lot of these pieces, I feel like you can mix and match it with a different top or bottom. So that's another plus that I really, really like. But yeah, all the swimwear comes in this set, the top and the bottom together. If you need to purchase something separately, DM me, email, let us know, and we'll try to make that option. It's just easier to send them as a set rather than having just all these uneven pieces. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys found at least one item that you really, really liked. Let me know down in the comments down below which one was your favorite. What are you most excited about? I'm so excited to release my entire collection, but these are just some of the first few pieces that I will be starting off with. I have all these pieces on hand, so they'll be ready to ship off and go. So yeah, please be sure to check out RAMAEINC. I have some spring clothes coming out. I also have a lot of different things that I sell as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that hair, some Rama hair collection, you guys. If you want some bundles, you know, now is the perfect time to get you some bundles. Get you a wig, girl. Get you some swimwear, some accessories. Get the whole 9 yards. But yeah, I hope you guys, honestly, I just hope you guys support me. I hope you guys support this collection. I'm super, super excited about it, and I hope you guys are as well. I cannot wait to see you guys in these pieces. So I'm just super excited. I'm ready for some warm weather. I'm ready for some vacations. I'm just so excited. If you support me, thank you guys so, so much. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.